Hello viewers, this video is about mouse pointer. Isn't amazing? Like I'm very much personalization or customization kind of a person. So what I used to do, I'll do lots of customization in the windows, in the PC and laptop. You can see my other videos where I have customized the folder icon, then I've shown you how to customize your Gmail background, because I keep on doing such things because that makes me feel very good when I'm doing work. Okay, and this few things give little relaxation, but it's very much good. So I make my laptop and PC screens everything more interesting and beautiful. So I like whenever I work on that. Okay. So here I am with another personalization video. So without wasting much more time, customize your window. Okay. So we will be starting how to customize your mouse pointer. For doing that, what you can do is go to your start button, go to settings, your PC settings, go to personalization. After going to personalization, go to themes. Okay. After going to theme, you can see there are 4 options: background, color, sound, mouse cursor. So these are also very good. See, I have even made my window more customized by changing the color of my window as my wallpaper change, my themes change, and many more things I have done like this. So here now I'm not gonna explain you much about that. Okay, so how to go to mouse cursor button, click on mouse cursor option. You can see this is the very easy and simple screen. You can see and you can understand through this. So now this is the mouse cursor which I don't like. I wouldn't want this. I want something good while working. Okay, so what I can do is either there are already few which are already set schemes for the mouse pointers. Go to magnified, click on apply. See, this is your new mouse pointer. Yeah. Okay, so this is one of the set scheme by Windows. Now this is another black extra large. Click on apply, and here you can see one more, another one. Okay, so there are many like this. You can see standard extra large. This is another one. Okay, so in through this, what you can see, your mouse pointer changes, but with mouse pointer, this mouse pointer remains for the normal select. You can see this is a normal select mouse pointer. If you're going to help select option, you will have this mouse pointer. So these are like if you're going for any link, if you're going to any link select, then you will get this mouse pointer. So when I choose a mouse cursor, I mostly see what is on the link select, because that mostly we mostly click on the link a lot. So I mostly observe that what is the link select cursor and what is the normal select cursor, because that the two things which we mostly work on. Okay, and even on the busy one. Okay, so this I mostly focus on, so that my mouse will remain good at every moment of time. Okay, so these are already set schemes. You can just choose anyone and you can just enjoy working with that. So, and click on OK, and you will be done. Your new mouse cursor is ready to work with. Okay, what you can do is now you can customize this mouse pointers as per your wish. These are already set schemes, but if you want your schemes, your way of using the mouse pointer, you can also do that. How you can do that is go to browse option. You can see this are number of mouse cursors. Just view, so many mouse cursors available here. Okay, so many mouse cursors. You can choose any mouse cursor. I mostly prefer the hand one. I'm searching for that only. See this, and here you can see the preview of that mouse pointer also. You can see this one I like the most. I always choose this one only. So you can go any of this, you can search any of this as per your as per your wish. Choose anyone and click on open. After clicking on open, you will see now my normal select is changed to another one. Okay, now my normal select will be this after clicking on apply. I click on apply. My normal select is now this. Wow, amazing, right? Okay, so even I can change my link selection over here. I don't want this because I've already used a hand on my normal select, so I will change it to the arrow. Okay, this is this one, not this so big. I want small one like this one. Okay, for the link option, then click on this, open, and here it is, and click on if and apply. Now if I'm going to some link, suppose I'm going to get help option, see by link and see my cursor is changed. See, you can see my cursor is changed. Amazing, right? So now whenever you will be navigating in your windows, in your PC screen or your laptop, you will feel good. Okay, I don't know, but I feel good. That's why I'm telling you, you will feel good. But yeah, it's interesting. Okay, now as you have changed mouse pointer, just click on save as, so you can use this scheme. Give it a name. Give it a name to your cursor scheme. I'm writing my cursor. Okay, and this is my set. I have changed the scheme as per my desired wish, and click on OK. And here you're done. You have a new mouse cursor and a new setting with you. Okay, so that's all for this mouse cursor option. I hope you enjoy this video because I just want to make you feel better with my ideas. The small tips add on to your work a lot. I know this because I feel this, and I hope you also like this video. If you like this video, please share this video as much as possible. Do comment your suggestions, your views. Thank you. Bye bye.